Hello, welcome to OMC Ford and Kia in Oldham. Today we're looking at this Ford Fiesta. This is the Fiesta Titanium. It's a 1 litre, 125 brake horsepower, 5-door. It's a petrol engine car and it's finished in Desert Island Blue. It's a one-owner car with full service history. The beauty of this car is the fact that it's got less than 3,000 miles on it. 2,942 miles to be precise. Specification includes powerful mirrors, satellite navigation, it's got privacy glass on the rear windows, it's got rear parking sensors, cruise control, front and rear electric windows, and lane keeping assist. Let's take a closer look at some of those features. So when I click the door open, you can see the wing mirrors fold out. They also fold back in when I lock it. Front and rear electric windows, electric heated mirrors. Also got automatic headlights, and that's twinned with rain sensing wipers as well. There you can see the mileage, 2,942. Fantastically low mileage. On the steering wheel, controls there for the Bluetooth voice control. On the left hand side is for cruise control, speed limits, and any volume controls are on there as well. Entertainment system is all touchscreen. If you go in there, you can see we've got AM, FM, DAB and Bluetooth audio, so you can actually download music directly from your phone. If your phone's connected using the USB cable, you can also use features like Spotify directly onto the screen. Same screen, we've also got the navigation. Very clear, concise system we've got there. And then when I pop the car into reverse, you've also got the visual icon there for assistance when you're reversing it, and then you also get the bleeps as well as the visual assistance. This car's got a 6-speed gearbox. We've also got down there a USB port and a 12-volt power supply. And then in the centre console, 3 buttons there. That's for your auto stop start, which can be turned on or off to suit your personal needs. Traction control system, and then the drive mode. So every time I press the button there, you'll see from the screen in front of me, you get options for normal, eco and sport modes for when you're driving the car. Again, to suit your personal preferences. The Fiesta's got quite a generous boot. You've got split rear seats, you've got a removable parcel shelf and various tether points to keep your belongings secure in the back. If you think this could be the car for you, you can actually reserve it online for just £99 to view and test drive. We'd love to hear from you, so please give us a call on 0161 287 4141, or you can just visit the website. On our website you can request a more personalised, more detailed video. There's also a finance calculator on there as well, and we'll be happy to talk through the finance products that we do offer. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you very much.